Teddy did my tent, and it looks amazing, and then birds have to come along and poop on my daggum truck. What kind of crap is that? I don't even know. Makes me upset, though.
Alrighty.
Try again, Teddy.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
What's up, losers? So, what are we doing today? What are we doing today, Teddy?
We're installing a banner.
This banner over here? That's real bright.
Very bright.
That's okay. My seats are bright. It'll match. So I'm kind of having to sneak around this a little bit because Teddy does this sort of thing for a living. And I'm not really one to ask somebody to do something for free. So Teddy's going to kind of instruct me a little bit, and I'm going to do all this work.
It's going to be a good time.
It is going to be a good time, I hope. So what's the first thing we do?
First thing, you want to clean off all your stickers and clean the glass.
Dang, I have to take my stickers off? Yeah. Those are proof that I've driven in a motorsport event. Daggone. And I have to take those off.
I'm really jealous of your big Muscleman sticker.
Are you?
Yeah, I want one.
Yeah, usually they write your tech stuff right here, and then they went to a smaller one, and they started writing it right there. Whatever. My buddy Kevin put this on, like, back in the day. Like, I don't know. I say back in the day. It was probably 6 years ago or something. I don't know.
That's considered back in the day.
Yeah, back in the day. Back in the day for me is like 1993. Like, Teddy's like, I wasn't even born. Anyway, so let's get to it. All right, windshield's clean. Teddy was just asking me, how far do I want the banner to go down the windshield? I said all the way. And he said, you're not going to be able to see through it. And I said,
valid point.
I don't know. I don't know, what, 6, 8 inches? I mean, what do you recommend? What do people do?
6 to 8 inches would be best. I mean, it is a drift truck, and as long as you can still see the stoplights and whatnot for the street, 6 to 8 inches would be perfect.
Oh, I didn't think about stoplights.
Only reason I can tell you that is because I made a mistake with mine.
I guess that only really applies if you stop at stoplights, which I do.
I mean, if you don't see a red light, do you have to stop?
Does it really exist if you don't see it? Okay, so we're thinking 6 to 8 inches. Over there is a green tape measure. That's what that's called. Let's measure.
Okay.
So 6 to 8 inches is a good rule. Is that what people usually do?
Yes, because normal law would be something like that, but we're doing drift truck things.
Did you say law?
Yeah.
There's a law?
Yeah, it's a weird law because every car is different. So they leave. It's one of those laws that if you did half your windshield, yes, they're going to bother you. But other than that, they leave you alone.
Dude, half my windshield would be legit.
Hey man, you need a windshield when you're drifting anyway. You're looking sideways.
That's a really good point, Teddy. I like the way you think.
There's a loophole for everything.
Okay, what are we seeing over here? What's good?
We'll go from there. Because if we go 8, I feel like that may be a little low.
So 6 or 7?
Yeah, 6 or 7 would be best.
Let's do 7.
Okay, that works.
Let's do 7. Let me ask you this. If we go too far, like if we do 7 and I need an inch cut off, how hard is it to cut an inch?
How good are you at cutting a straight line?
Probably terrible. There went the tape. All right, we got to get this tape. What we're going to do, here, hold this tape.
Gotcha.
Thank you. So I'm stretching this across the windshield, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, no.
No?
We're just using that to tack to hold the banner up.
Oh, okay. So I got to tack the banner up with this tape.
Just to make sure it's not going to be too low for you.
Yeah, right on. Dude, I can totally see how wind would be problematic right now. Like crazy, wicked crazy. All right, here's a line down here.
Oh yeah, that looks like it may be super low. So go down to the center line.
Right there?
Yeah. And just put a piece of tape up there to hold it.
Okay.
So far, this looks pretty low.
Low in a good way or a bad way?
Oh, depends on what happens when you get in your truck.
Right on. Do I need to, should I tack the sides or just leave it?
You can tack one side and it should be okay.
Let me tack this side because I'm going to be opening this door.
It's not level, but this is just a test to see if it's gonna be too low for you.
Probably. I don't know why I'm talking loud, because I have a mic on, so I probably need to stop talking so
You're in the
loud.
truck screaming.
This is probably going to be a little low. Like, I won't be able to see traffic lights.
Okay.
Maybe 6 inches down?
Yeah, we can go up some.
Okay. Dude, that beeping kills me. The beeping inside
Isn't
the
there
truck.
just a little switch in
So
there you
funny.
can undo?
There's probably a little box or something that makes noise that I have neglected to take off. That I probably should. Okay, so we need to remeasure and remark.
Yes and no.
Yes
to
and
me,
no?
To me, the best option would be to just have you sit in there
Yeah.
and then level it out afterwards.
Okay.
Just that's how I did mine. I mean, seems easier that way.
What are you looking at, Teddy?
The tent.
It looks good. Leave it alone. You did a great job. All right, so this is where we've got it pinned up right here. We figured that 7 inches was a little too far down, and I would have to like really like lean down, like kiss the steering wheel to be able to see traffic lights. So we're gonna put it at 6 inches. I think 6 inches is probably gonna be very similar, but I also want a lot of banner there. I want a lot of banner. I don't want a little bit of banner. I don't want it to be like 3 inches. You know, some people say the size doesn't matter, but I want it to be bigger, right?
Right.
We want it bigger.
Bigger
So-
is better.
Right? So this is where we're gonna stick it right there. So Teddy says the next thing we do is install it. So
The fun part.
just watch us do that. It's gonna be funny. All right, I just want you to know, I want everybody to know that Teddy's a genius. Okay, so check this out. It's gold. It's like bright gold. It's like shiny gold. I'm so excited about this. I'm probably talking too loud. I'm sorry. Anyways,
That's okay.
what are we thinking here, Teddy? What did we just come up with? Talk to me.
So plan is, since this one isn't long enough, we have another piece of gold. We're actually going to piece them together and make zip tie stickers. They make it look like it's drift stitched together.
That's crazy sick.
It's drift car, why not?
Why not? So we got to fill in this corner right here. It only goes to here. So we got to fill in this corner. So like Teddy was saying, I have another big piece that we can cut this out of. We're going to do that, and it's going to be drift stitched right here. So we're going to kind of overlap and then drift stitch the seam. It's going to look sick.
Yes.
I mean, the gold banner is going to look sick regardless. So that's what we're doing. We got to clean off the windshield first and all that crap. So, yeah. We did it. We're done. What do y'all think of the gold windshield banner?
It was awesome.
Super sick, right?
I love it.
It looks way better than I thought it was going to look. It almost kind of looks copperish,
Yeah.
like it's kind of dark. And I don't know if, like, when we put it down and we did the cards on it, I don't know if that did that or what, but it definitely looked golder inside, like more gold.
Maybe it did, but I like it though.
It definitely doesn't stand out as much as the one on the Hardbody.
Yeah.
It's so crazy looking. Right on. Dude, it's crazy to me how aggressive something like a piece of vinyl across your windshield can make a car look. Like,
Just
it
that,
like totally complements the lines of the Rx7.
yeah, just that can change the entire look of a car.
That's crazy. That is just nuts. But I am satisfied, dude. Thank you,
Good.
Teddy.
You're very welcome, man.
Here, let me see this right here. All right, come over here, Teddy. Get in front of your wonderful work. I said I was gonna try to do all the work, but Teddy really did all the heavy lifting. It was pretty ridiculous. Look at him. He's all
was a good
embarrassed. He knows he's awesome. He's like, oh, shucks.
Come on, man. You're going to make me blush. Cut it out.
Anyway, like we always say, what do we always say? Do we always say anything? Not really.
Not really.
Subscribe to our channel, please. Watch our videos, like them and comment on them. If you're watching this video and you haven't liked it and you know it's really good, like know deep in your heart of hearts,
You know you love it.
exactly, like this video. Subscribe to our channel and watch the rest of them. But for now, we're out.
We're out.
Oh, it's still recording.